Good evening, Sarah Cawte with tonight's weather. Well, the sun has returned in time for the weekend, but it's brought with it plenty of warmth. That is expected to stick around over the next few days with mostly sunny conditions. Diddillibah got the biggest downpour overnight, receiving 41 mils. Palmwoods and Nambour both got 30. Temperatures today across the Sunshine Coast region, a very average September day. The airport started the day with 13 degrees before reaching 24. Gympie, a range of 14 to 26, and Tewantin reached 25. On the satellite loop, mostly clear across Queensland. There is some cloud over the southeast, which is being picked up from this thick band across the south. A few speckles over the north, but that shouldn't have too much of an impact on Queensland. On today's chart, a small low-pressure trough is sitting parallel to Queensland's coast, but it has moved further offshore. The high in Victoria has now shifted over the Tasman Sea, but there is another one sitting over the Bight. On tomorrow's chart, a low-pressure system will be starting to develop over eastern New South Wales from that trough off Queensland, but it's not looking like it will affect the state too much. And now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Sunshine Coast waters. West to southwesterly winds will reach 15 knots before tending north to northwesterly in the middle of the day, picking up a bit of speed by Sunday. The new moon is creeping closer, which means that swing in the tides is quite big. High tide is up around mid-morning, with the low expected after lunch. The southeast coast district, mostly sunny with the slight chance of some early fog, 13 to 26 for Maroochydore. Slightly warmer in Nambour, reaching 27. Gympie, a range of 12 to 28 degrees. Looking ahead for Maroochydore, mostly sunny over the next few days with a few clouds still hanging about. A slight chance of some showers developing into next week. Temperatures will be in the mid-20s. That's it from me tonight. Livio will be back with your weather on Monday. Hope you have a lovely weekend and enjoy the sunshine. Now here's Robbie Sherwell with the Surf Report.
Thanks, Sarah. Well, the forecast for the weekend is for us to have around that 2/3 of a metre of easterly swell, sitting about 8 to 9 second intervals. So not big, but a little bit of substance to it. Looks like we're going to have light offshores both mornings, but then the winds are going to swing northeasterly on Saturday afternoon and then round to east-southeasterly Sunday afternoon. So for Saturday, the open beaches are the go, up between Peregian and Sunshine. Urumba in the morning with the higher tide and the Kawana stretch. And then on Sunday, when the east-southeasters set in, it's going to be places like Dickey Beach through to Curramundi, Alex through to Maroochydore, Coolum and the southern corner of Alexandra Bay. Now for swimming, the great news is the water has risen to 21 degrees. All beaches will be open. Just remember, the ocean's always a dangerous place. Only swim between the red and yellow flags. I hope you have a wonderful weekend across the coast beaches. Now it's back to you, Joe.
Great, thanks for that, Robbie. That's all from us for this Friday. Thanks for your company. Just a reminder, you can watch a replay of the bulletin on 7plus, or you can catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. From all of us here, enjoy your weekend. Good night.